How to use the Hewlett-Packard Smart app to save a multiple page scan as a single PDF file. First of all, you have to install the Hewlett-Packard Smart app if you don't have it. Download the Smart app from an app store. There are the links in the description. Open the app Smart. You will find it clicking on the Windows logo on the bottom left of the screen. Settings, printers and scanners. Choose your Hewlett-Packard printer. Open the app. Click Scan. Select the settings you need. ADF, not the glass. Document. The size. Color or grayscale. Resolution. Insert the sheets you want to scan all together face up. Click Scan. It will begin the scanning of the documents. Once finished, save the document. Save. Choose a name. Save. Now you have your document.